I'm gonna share with you guys how to make an omelet in a potato chip bag. So potatoes and eggs are not a foreign concept. I believe in Spain, they put potatoes in their omelets. This video on Taste Made Japan where they literally use potato chips and they cook the omelet in the bag itself. Have to try it. I think you could use any type of potato chips, honestly, but here I have a spicy seaweed flavor and I have a hot chili flavor. And if you can't find these in your grocery store in the Asian market, just use Lay's chips. I think that would be just fine. Okay, so since I have 2 potato chip bags, I think I'm gonna make 2 different style omelets. The first omelet is gonna be the whole works. Right here, I have some bell peppers and some maitake mushrooms. I have like a blob of turkey sausage. We're gonna add some cheddar cheese to that mix. It's gonna be like this wholesome kind of like American style omelet. And then the second omelet, I'm just gonna keep it plain. I want to see what the eggs taste like by themselves with the flavored potato chips. We got our eggs. We got 6 eggs, so 3 per bag. We're gonna whisk them up, splash. Bloop. Okay, you don't want your pot of water boiling, you just want it simmering, so I realize it's starting to boil. We're gonna submerge our potato chip bag like so. And then for one of the bags, we're gonna fill it with our mixture. Add our cheese. So half of the mixture of the egg, the other half looks like. This honestly feels so unnatural, just the fact that I'm just dipping potato chip bags like this and just standing here holding my chip bags over some water. I look crazy. You gotta be very careful because it's very hot. Now, hopefully. Whoa. Look at it. A fluffy log. It's quite convenient. Let's cut it. Oh boy. Oh my god. That is all potato chip. Do you see that? Oh my god, that's a lot of potato chip. Oh, and the potato chip is mushy. This big boy is what I'm most worried about because there's a lot of content in here, and I think what happened, oh no, I don't know if you guys could see that. I think water got inside it. Oh, let me get a plate. Do this. Oh, yeah, oh, this looks so gross, but let's cut it. Oh, nope, it's just one gooey mess. Oh, God. So sometimes in life, what did we learn? Things don't come out. And in this case, it was kind of my fault because our big style omelet had too much stuff in it. There was a little too much moisture in the bags. And then the plain Jane one came out exactly like the video. So that's a lesson there. Don't put too much moist products in your omelet. So let's give the plain Jane one, and you can see all the potato chips are condensed in one spot. That match?
Understand. They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine, and you're not really fine, but you just can't.
I don't know. It's not bad. It's not good. I don't know. I'm like this right now. Let's just say I don't recommend it. Next, this monstrosity. So I'm just gonna get a bit of oh my god, that's a lot of potato chips. I'm gonna get a little bit of potato chips, a little pepper, a little mushroom, a little sausage. Oh god. The potato chips work better when it's not the sole provider of all the flavor like the regular one that we just tried. It actually works really well if you have like peppers and sausage in it, because it just tastes like American style breakfast all in your mouth. You don't just taste the potato chip and the egg by itself. Not bad, but I wouldn't recommend. Don't forget to subscribe and like to this video if you like potato chips and omelets like me, or well, just me. I'll catch you guys later to the next video. Take care. Bye.